Hi, and welcome to Top Gear's Snow Chain Fitting Guide for HGVs, tractors, snow ploughs and basically heavy machinery. First job is to lay your snow chains out. This makes it simple to check for any tangles. As you look at your chain, you will see one side has hoops. You need to pick the chain up from the other side without hoops. Lay the chain on top of your driving powered wheels, making sure the side with hoops is nearest to you. Get back in the cab, move your vehicle forward 1 or 2 meters. Put both halves of the chain together . Feed the long loose chain through the hoops. Now feed the hook through the chain and secure in ring. Tidy up excess chain. You now need to move forward a few meters. Now you can give one last tension . We do hold lots of these chains in stock, but if necessary and you have a specialist tyre, they can be made to order. Please contact us for further information. Thank you for watching another Top Gear fitting video.